How to fix Spotify Shuffle not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Spotify Shuffle not working on your device. So, if you go to some albums there, just below the play button, you can see two little arrows. That arrow is for shuffle, but if we go to some other playlist, you can see that the shuffle button is not there. So there are a few reasons as to why the shuffle won't work. The first one being this playlist doesn't have shuffle option and all of the songs are shuffled in itself, so that may be one of the reason. But if you can't shuffle, it may be a bug in the app. So in order to fix that, go to your Play Store or App Store and then type in Spotify. Now right where it says open, if yours says update, it means that your app is not up to date, and if it is not up to date, it might restrict some features. That may be what is causing your error. So try updating your app, and now once you've updated the app, try to shuffle the songs. But if it still doesn't shuffle, what you can do is go to your settings. Now go to apps and then go to Spotify. Now try clearing both your cache memory as well as the entire storage of your Spotify app. And now once you've done that, re-log into your account and then try shuffling all of your songs. So that is basically how you solve Spotify Shuffle not working. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.